Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, and then we'll proceed with your readings. So this is Hierophant. So Virgo, this is your current energy. Are you guys dealing with Taurus? I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant card. Oh my god. Six of Wands. This is your partner's current feeling, Virgo. So now let's discuss your current feeling with this Hierophant. Okay. Virgo, are you guys into some kind of a discussion regarding a person, regarding a job, regarding a career? Because I am seeing that there is a meeting out of a thing going on in your life. So perhaps you are being somebody who is completely focused towards your career, towards your finances, towards your goal, towards your relationship with your partner, and that's why some counseling sessions are going on for you. Some meetings are going on for you. You are taking guidance from people. Perhaps this person is your family member, this person could be your friend, this person could be your relative, this person could be your manager, your boss, it could be anyone. So you are being somebody who is taking guidance from people. Okay, what should I do now? Okay, what action should be taken now? Or what would be the right approach towards XYZ thing? Okay, so you are being into discussion with so many people, and this discussion could be related with anything. Could be related to your career, finances, your goals, your job, your business, your love life, your relationship, your lover, your partner. This discussion could be for anything or for anyone. Alright? Okay. Now Virgo, this is your partner's current energy. Virgo, your partner is somebody who is a go and getter kind of a person. They believe in taking action. They believe that okay, if I want something, I'll put my efforts into that and I'll get it. So they are somebody who is go and getter, and they are somebody who always seek the next ladder of success in their life. Okay, they have people around them who supports them, who encourage them, who applaud them. Okay, but I feel that Virgo, they are waiting for your approval on something. Yeah, they are waiting for your admiration, or they are waiting for you to praise them. I don't know. Even though they are somebody who is a go and getter, but yes, at some point of time they feel that they should get some compliments from you. Okay, so Virgo, this is your partner's current energy. Now let's see how you see them and how they see you, or what do you feel about them and what they feel about you. Chariot. Some of you could be dealing with Cancer with this Chariot card. We have Chariot in this reading. Okay. Okay, so you see them, Virgo, as somebody who has the ability to lead something in life. Okay, either their official commitments or professional commitments or their personal commitments. You see them as somebody who is a mixture of positive and negative traits. Okay, you see them as somebody who is who has a balanced life. Okay, they know they have to invest a certain amount of time within their job, and they also know that okay, their loved ones are also waiting for them, so they know that I should invest my time with my loved one as well. Okay, so you see them as somebody who has all the good and bad traits within them. Okay, they are prince, they have the authority to take actions. Okay, they are very authoritative. Okay, they know, they are the leader basically. Okay. Okay, on the other hand, Virgo, your person feels about you, um, or thinks about you as the hermit in reverse. Okay, so for them, they feel that you are cute, you are adorable, you are naive. Okay, you are innocent. Okay, because you never collect any data or any kind of you don't do any kind of research thing, okay, to move ahead in life. Okay, and rather than researching things on your own, you always rely on other people. That's why you are taking decisions, or you are taking guidance from people. Okay, this is your card, Virgo, but you are not into this energy. You are taking people's help to get the information, you are taking people's help to get the data, you are taking people's help. Okay, now what should I do? Okay, you are not able to get all the information on your own, so this time you are just discussing your concerns and inquiries and doubts with other people. All right, so they see you as somebody who is very naive, who is very innocent, who is not that mature. Okay, who can gather the data all alone, and who can take a solid step towards their life. All right, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are, oh my god, what action you guys are, what's happening, what action you guys are taking towards each other. On what action they are taking towards you. What action Virgo's people are taking towards them. Virgo, you are being somebody with the 7 of Pentacles card, that okay, I cannot think about any person right now. Okay, I have to invest in my career, in my finances, in my goals, in my job, in my professional commitments, or the commitments which I made to myself, or the commitments which I made towards my family. Okay, so you are being very practical right now. Okay, you are just completely focused towards your finances at this point of time, and whatever you have achieved so far in your life, you're just looking back and see it. Okay, it could be related to your finances, it could be related to your good and bad karmas, it could be related to anything. Whatever you have earned so far in life, you are just looking back and see, and just observing what achievements you have gained in life, and what mistakes you have done in your life in past. Okay, and on the other hand, you are also being very practical as of now. Your approach towards life is completely practical. Okay, you're not thinking about love, you're not thinking about emotion, you're not thinking about partnership, relationship, marriage, nothing. You are just being completely focused towards your work, towards your money, towards your finances, towards your career. So yes, you are not taking any action towards them. On the other hand, Virgo, your person is trying hard to offer their love and emotion to you. Okay, they are showing you proof that hey, I'm genuine. Okay, I'm not here to waste your time, or I'm not here to waste your energy. Okay, please accept my proposal. This person is like completely energetic. Okay, this person is completely a new person in your life. Okay, and this person is showing their efforts to you, that hey, I'm here, I'm offering you this page of cups. Okay, and see, my cup is full, it's not empty, it's not fake, I'm completely genuine person with genuine feelings for you. Okay, so they are trying their hard to be in your life. They are trying their hard to connect with you on an emotional level, but it's you who is in your own zone. You are into your own energies. You don't want to think about it. You don't want to talk about it. Okay, now let's see how you feel in this relationship, or how they feel in this relationship. It could also happen, Virgo, for some of you, that perhaps now is the time when either your person is approaching you okay, from a completely a new I mean, they are offering you this page of cups from a completely a different approach. Or for some of you, it could also happen that there is a arrival of a new person in your life. Anything could be happen. Okay, now let's see how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. You feel lost. You feel that, okay, no, this is not my path. I have to create my path on my own. What else I can say? You feel lost. You feel I mean, you are not doing anything. You are just seeing, you are just standing on this edge of this cliff and just seeing the horizons of or the meeting point of the sea and the sky and something like that. You are just seeing the horizons. You are not doing anything. You are just being silent and being still. Okay, perhaps you are waiting for your turn. Okay, perhaps you are waiting for your ship. Okay, perhaps you feel that, okay, no, this is not a time for me to think about it. This is not a time for me to talk about it. I told you that you are being very self-obsessed. All right, so it's you who is feeling lost in life, not in this relationship. Or perhaps it could happen for some of you that you are standing on a from a far distance from this person who is offering you this page of cups. You are seeing them from a distance, that okay, this person must be standing here and this person is offering me something. But since I am like completely devoted towards my career and my finances, I don't want to see it. I don't want to know what they are offering. Okay, now let's see what your person feels and how they feel in this relationship. 10 of Cups. They feel complete happiness in this relationship, even though you are not contributing anything in this relationship, but still they feel happy. Your thought makes them happy for you. Okay, your thought makes them your thought gives them a sense of fulfillment, even though you have not heard their offer. You have not thought about their offer, but yes, whenever they think about you, their heart and mind fills with a lot of joy, happiness and emotions. And I'm seeing that this person is eager to settle down with you. It could happen this person must be thinking to make a family with you, to have kids with you, to make a beautiful home with you. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and your person, Virgo. What is the mutual energy, and then we'll see what is the future potential of this relationship. What is the mutual energy? What's the mutual energy between Virgo and their people? 6 of Swords. And let's see what is the future potential. Oh my God. It's so sad. It's so sad. Mutual energy of this relationship is that somewhere your person feels that I should not think about Virgo anymore, because they are not thinking about me the way I'm thinking about them. somewhere deep down in their heart they feel, okay, it's better to leave, okay, rather than wasting my time and energy here. I think I should leave. This is the time for me to say bye to, or goodbye, okay. Or it could also happen for some of you, Virgo, that it's you who is moving out, either from your this obsessed energy. I feel, Virgo, it's you. It's you. I told you that you're waiting, you're standing here on the edge of the cliff and you're seeing the horizons. Perhaps you're waiting for your ship. I think it is your ship. It is your ship. You are carrying all your good and bad karmas, your achievements, your failures, your good bad traits, your positive negative energies, all your things with you. Okay, perhaps you are moving towards this person. Perhaps you are moving towards them. Okay, that's why you are in river and they are standing close to river. I think it's you. I think the moment they'll feel that it's okay, I should give up, you will appear in their life, okay. All of a sudden, hey, tada, I'm here, okay, and we should talk or something like that. So I feel with this card, some kind of a discussion are going to take place, or perhaps you are feeling that, okay, I should give them a chance. Okay. Future potential of this reading is 5 of Wands. Virgo, it's you. I feel that even though you will be moving out, or you want to move out from certain energies, but it's going to take it's going to be a tough job for you, Virgo. Let me be very honest with you. For some of you, it's going to be very tough job to to calm your mind. Okay, perhaps your heart says, okay, just give them a chance, and on the other hand, your mind says, no, you should focus on your things. Okay, so there is a conflict is going on in your heart and mind. Some kind of a conflict situation is going to arrive in your life in future, Virgo. Okay, let's see why this 5 of Wands. Why this 5 of Wands is here. Why this 5 of Wands is here. Why this 5 of Wands is here. Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune. Future is bringing happiness into your life with this Wheel of Fortune. All your negative thoughts are going to convert into positive thoughts. All your negative traits are going to convert into positive traits. Okay, that's why, see, there is a new beginning for you, Virgo, in future. That is for sure. But the thing is that you need to calm your mind, you need to calm your heart, you need to calm your emotions in future, because I'm telling you, I'm seeing that there is going to be a conflict within your heart and mind in future. Okay, so you will be completely, oh my god, what should I do now? Oh my god, what action should I take now? Oh my god, what should I, this or that, and blah blah blah. So many things are going to irritate you in future. So all you need to do is just calm your mind and just believe in the divine timing. That's all. And with this Wheel of Fortune, I feel that this is the time for you to consider this person, or consider this person's proposal. Alright, because I don't think that this person is lying. Their offer is genuine. They are giving you, they are not giving you any kind of false hopes. That's what I feel. Alright, now let's see what angels are advising you. One angel advice message for angels are saying that you need to reconsider, you need to listen to your intuition, just follow your heart. I always say in my reading to all my viewers that just follow your heart, because your heart is the only right voice who can guide you towards positivity, towards the divine path. All right, so you need to listen to your intuition. Just follow what your heart says. If you think that this person, if your heart says, okay, now this person is not meant for me, then leave him. And if you sit, if your intuition says that yes, this is the person, yes, I always wanted a person like them, then grab him. Okay, and whatever decisions you are going to make in future, Virgo, you need to reconsider those decisions. And I feel that this reconsider message is for you just now. Okay, perhaps angels and universe are asking you to consider this person one more time. Just reconsider them, or perhaps you are, close to your soulmate. Nobody knows. All right. Okay, so Virgo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus with this Hierophant. Some of you could be dealing with Cancer with this Chariot. Some of you could be dealing with another Virgo with this Hermit card in reverse. Some of you could be dealing with water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this 10 of Cups and Page of Cups. Some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 3 of Wands, 5 of Wands and 6 of Wands. And some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 6 of Swords. Alright, so Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.